In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in a PayPal account. If your PayPal interface is currently showing in a language you don't want, or you simply prefer to use the platform in a different language for easier navigation. The good news is that this is a very quick setting to update. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what to do so the change applies correctly. Once you're logged into your PayPal account, look to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll find the gear icon which opens your account settings. Go ahead and click that icon to access the area where you can manage your account preferences. After the settings page opens, look for the section labeled Account Options. In this area, you should see a drop-down menu for language. This is the setting that controls which language is used for your PayPal account interface. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section, because PayPal includes several settings on this page, and the language option is the one you'll need for this change. Next, click on the Language drop-down. A list of available languages should appear. From there, select the new language you want to use. Once you choose it, PayPal will save that preference for your account. Make sure you select carefully so the interface displays in the language that's most comfortable for you going forward. After selecting your new language, there's one more important thing to do. Log out of your PayPal account and then log back in again. This helps refresh the account interface and ensures the language update is fully applied. If you don't see the changes right away, signing out and back in usually resolves that. When you log back in, your PayPal account should now appear in the language you selected. If for some reason the update doesn't show immediately, try refreshing the page or repeating the sign out and sign in process one more time, and that's all there is to it. As you can see, changing the language in your PayPal account only takes a moment once you know where to look. This is a useful adjustment if you want a more comfortable browsing experience or if you're helping someone set up their account in their preferred language. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your PayPal settings quickly and easily.